Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade gummy bears. In a food processor or high-powered blender, add in half a cup of fresh strawberries or any berries of your choice. Our daughter loves strawberries, so that's what I'm using. Then add in 3 tablespoons of water and 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Just depends on how sweet you want them to be. I just add in 1 tablespoon. And then pulse to puree the strawberries or any berries that you are using. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now in a saucepan on low-medium heat, pour in the puree. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, but you're going to add in 1 tablespoon at a time. Once you've added your first tablespoon of gelatin, make sure to constantly whisk. That way the gelatin does not clump up. You want to make sure to not bring the mixture to a boil. Once you've added both the tablespoons of gelatin and it's fully dissolved, you can remove from the stove. Now you're going to need silicone molds. I'm using the gummy bear molds, but you can use any shape of silicone molds of your choice. Just place the mixture over the mold, and I like to use a scraper to help fill them in. But if you don't have one, you can also use a butter knife as well. Once you're done, you're going to place them in the fridge to set for about 30 minutes. Oh, baby girl, you want to tell them? Oh my goodness, what do we have to tell them? Huh? Oh my goodness. All right, everyone, today for this video, me and my baby girl, we are wearing matching outfits from Bailey's Blossom, and they were so generous to send me a code for my viewers to save 20%. The code is Fairytale Flavor 20. I'll make sure to leave the link to their website and the code in the description below. And you guys, they have really cute clothes for your kiddos, obviously for mommy and me outfits, and for the whole family. I would definitely go check out their website. And baby girl, you wanna show them our outfits? You wanna show them? And I would like to thank Bailey's Blossoms. Once the gummies are done, just pop them right out of the silicone mold and enjoy. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give them a big thumbs up. Our daughter loves these homemade gummy bears, and they are way better than store-bought, and they're so easy to make. Also, me and my husband enjoy these as well. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! You like these, huh, baby? You like these, huh? Yummy. Yum, yum. Are they good? Oh my goodness. Yum, yum, huh?
3, 2, 1, action!
Before you guys go, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye! Say bye, baby. Yay! Huh?